Hello students, let's do simple linear equations, exercise 14b, page number 167. So here question 1 we have to solve for y. Now we have two terms with y, two like terms. So first we can finish working that out and then we find out the value for y. So 8y minus 4y. 8 minus 4 is 4 and y, 4y. So this is 4y which is equal to 20. Now 4y means 4 into y. That is equal to 20. So let's solve for y and find the value of y. Y is equal to 20 and now we're going to transpose 4 to the right hand side. So when it moves to the right hand side, because it is multiplication on the left hand side, it will become division. Now 20 divided by 4 is 5. 4 5s are 20. So we have found the value of y to be 5. So we've got our answer to question 1. Y is equal to 5. Question 2. Now here again we have variables 9b minus 4b plus 3b. All that is equal to 16. So first we need to work out this. We need to work out and get an answer. They're all like terms. So we can get a single term when we work that out. So that will be, now I'm going to add up the numbers or the terms with a positive sign. So that is plus. So here I have plus 9b minus 4b plus 3b. Let me put all that into brackets taking only the numbers plus 9 minus 4 plus 3 and all this is b is equal to 16. So here let's add up the numbers with a plus sign. So 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. So that's plus 12 minus 4. Now this is still in brackets b is equal to 16. So 12 minus 4. Signs are different, so I can put the sign of the bigger number and I subtract. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 8b is equal to 16. Now, what is the meaning of 8b? 8 into b. 8 into b is 16. So now we can find the value of b. That is 16 divided by 8 because I have transposed 8 from the left hand side to the right hand side. And on the left it is multiplication. So when it came to the left, it's become division. Now 16 divided by 8. 8 twos are 16. So now we have found the value of b. B is equal to 2. So we have the answer here. B is equal to 2. Now question 3. Now here in this question, you can see that there is a variable on the left hand side and there's a variable on the right hand side also. So when you have a question like this, put all the variables to one side and all the numbers or the constants without the variables to one side. So here what we're going to do is on the left hand side, let's keep the constants as it is. So here let me take 8. So I'll write 8 there plus 8 and I'm going to transpose minus 18. Minus 18 to the left hand side, that's going to become plus 18. So we finished with the constants. Now let's look at the variables. Now we have 8y on the right hand side. Let's leave it there on the right. Now we're going to transpose plus 5 from the left to the right. So plus 5 will now become minus 5y. So first let's work this out. Now 8 plus 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. And here 8 minus 5. So that will be 8 minus 5 is 3 and then we write y. So now 3y is equal to 26. Now I can move my left hand side to the right hand side to the left. It doesn't make a difference, it's still the same. So 3y is equal to 26. That means 3 into y is 26. So now let's solve for y. Y is equal to 26 divided by 3. Let's do that division. 26 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24 minus I have 2. So now let's write this as a mixed number. It becomes 8 2 by 3. So we have found the value of y to be 8 2 by 3. So the answer is y is equal to 8 2 by 3. Question 4. 6 is equal to 7 plus 2p minus 5. So here also let's put all the constants to one side. So I already have 6. Now I'm going to transpose 7 to the other side. So plus 7 will now become minus 7. I'm going to transpose minus 5 also to the left hand side. That becomes plus 5. So minus 5 has become plus 5, and on the right hand side we have 2p. So let's work out the left hand side here. Add up the numbers with a plus sign. So 6 plus 5 we need to add up. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 7 is equal to 2p, and 11 minus 7 is 4. 4 is equal to 2p. So what does that mean? 2p means 2 into p is equal to 4. So now we can find the value of p by dividing 4 by 2, because we have transposed 2 from the left hand side to the right. It has become division. 4 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4. So we have found the value of p. P is equal to 2. So this is our answer. P is equal to 2. Question 5. 8 minus 7x equals 13x plus 8. So again we have the variable on both sides. So let's keep all the constants to one side and all the variables to another side. Okay, so let's begin. We'll leave 8 here and we'll bring this plus 8 from the right hand side to the left. It becomes minus 8. Now on the right hand side we already have 13x. Let's transpose minus 7x to the right hand side. It becomes plus 7x. Now 8 minus 8 is 0, and 13x plus 7x. 13 plus 7 is 20. 20x. That means 20 into x is 0. So to find the value of x, what do? We write 0 divided by 20, because we have transposed 20 from the left hand side to the right. Now x is equal to 0 divided by 20 is 0. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 0. Question 6. Okay, let's see where all the variables are. We have 4x minus 5x plus 2x, and on the right hand side we have 3x. So let's bring them all together to one side. So let's have all the variables here on the left. So we have 4x minus 5x plus 2x. Now I'm transposing plus 3x to the left hand side, so it becomes minus 3x. All this is equal to 28. Now let's work this out. So let's take only the numbers. 4 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3x. All this is equal to 28. Okay, now let's see the different signs that are there. We have a plus sign here also. So first let's add up the numbers with a plus sign. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now let's add the numbers with a minus sign. 5 plus 3. So since signs are the same, we put the same sign. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 minus 8x is equal to 28. Now 6 minus 8 is how much? So this is a plus sign. Signs are different. So when we have to put a bigger number sign, it's minus. 8 minus 6 is 2. Minus 2x is 28. So to find the value of x, what do? We say 28 divided by minus 2, because here minus 2 is multiplication. So now when it transposes to the right side, it becomes division. So here 28 has a plus sign. We have to divide 28 by 2. So let's do that. 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 fours are 8. So we have 14. So 28 divided by minus 2 is 14. Now let's look at the signs. Plus into minus is minus. So x is equal to minus 14. We found the value of x to be minus 14. Question 7. 9 plus m equals 6m plus 8 minus m. Okay, so let's put all the variables to one side and all the constants to the other side. So we have 9 here. So 9, I'm going to transpose plus 8 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 8. Now on the right hand side, what do we have? We have 6m minus m. Now we also have a plus m on the left hand side. Let's transpose it to the right hand side. It becomes minus m. So now let's work this out. 9 minus 8 is 1, and on this side we have 6m, which has a plus sign. 6m minus m minus m. Let's work that out here. So 6m minus m minus m. So here we have 1 each, isn't it? So 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So that is 4m. So 1 here we've got, and on the right hand side we have 4m. 4m means 4 into m is equal to 1. So to find the value of m, we say 1 divided by 4. So we have found the value of m. M is equal to 1 by 4. Question 8. 24 is equal to y plus 2y. Then we have a 3 here plus 4y. Okay, so we have all the constants and variables. Now let's put them group wise. We'll put all the constants to one side. So we have 24 here. So on the left hand side I have 24. I'm going to transpose plus 3 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 3. On the right, what do we have? Y plus 2y plus 4y. Okay, 24 minus 3 is 21. And on this side, let's see, it's all addition, so we can add it here itself. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7y. So 7y means 7 into y. 7 into y is 21. So now we can find the value of y. We can say 21 by 7 because we have transposed plus 7, which is multiplication, to the right hand side. 21 divided by 7. 7 threes are 21. So we have found the value of y to be 3. So y is equal to 3. Question 9. Let's see where all the variables are. We have a variable on the left hand side, one more variable on the left hand side. But we have constants on both sides. We have one here on the left hand side, and one on the right hand side. So let's put them group wise. We'll put all the constants to one side and variables to one side. So let's begin. On the left hand side, we have 19x minus 12x. On the right hand side, we have 23. Now let's transpose the numbers. So first, let's transpose plus 13 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 13. Then plus 3 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 3. So let's work this out. 19x minus 12x. 19 minus 12 is 7. So that's 7x. Now here we have a plus sign for 23 and then minus 13 and minus 3. So let's work out this. Signs are the same. So put the same sign and add. So this is 23. Here we put the same sign and we add 13 plus 3 is 16. So 7x is equal to 23 minus 16. Let's do that. 23 minus 16 minus, we need to borrow, 13 minus 6 is 7. So here we have 7. So 7x means 7 into x is equal to 7. Now to find the value of x, we say 7 divided by this 7 because it's multiplication on the left hand side. When it comes to the right, it becomes division. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we have found the value of x to be 1. So x is equal to 1. Question 10. 6b plus 40 equals minus 100 minus b. So we have variables on both sides and constants on both sides. So let's put the variables on the left hand side here. So 6b is already here. Let's transpose minus b. When it comes this side, it becomes plus b. Now on the right hand side we have minus 100. We are going to transpose plus 40 from the left hand side to the right hand side. It becomes minus 40. So here 6b plus b, that is 1 here. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7b equals, now here when signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 100 plus 40 is 140. So here 7b means 7 into b, that is equal to minus 140. So to find the value of b, what do? Minus 140 divided by 7. We have transposed this 7 to the right hand side. Now let's divide 140 by 7. 7 twos are 14 minus 0, 0. So we have 20. So 140 divided by 7 is 20. Now let's work on the signs. So 7 has a plus sign. Minus into plus is minus. So the value of B is equal to minus 20. So B is equal to minus 20. Question 11. 6 minus 5m minus 1 plus 3m equals 0. So here we have all the variables on the left hand side, but we have the constants on both sides. So let's put the variables here. We'll leave it as it is. So we have minus 5m plus 3m, and on the right hand side we have 0. Then let's transpose 6, which is plus 6, to the right hand side. It becomes minus 6. Minus 1 from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. So now let's work this out. Minus 5m plus 3m. Minus 5 plus 3. Signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2m. So we have minus 2m equals, here we have again the number 0, minus 6 plus 1. So we look at minus 6 plus 1. Signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. So here we have minus 2m, that means minus 2 into m equals minus 5. So to find the value of m, we write m here on the left hand side as it is, minus 5, and now we are going to transpose minus 2, which is multiplication, to the right hand side. It becomes division, minus 2. So now let's solve this. Minus into minus is plus. Now we have to divide 5 by 2. 5 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4 minus 1. So here what do we have? 2, 1 by 2. So plus 2, 1 by 2. So that means we have found the value of m, 2, 1 by 2. So m is equal to 2, 1 by 2. Question 12. 0.4x minus 1.2 equals 0.3x plus 0.6. So again, variables and constants on both sides. So let's put all the variables on the left hand side. 0.4x as it is. Now we are transposing 0.3x from the right hand side to the left. It's plus here, so it becomes minus 0.3x. Now let's look at the constants here. We have a decimal number on the right hand side, 0.6. Let's transpose the other constant from the left hand side to the right. Minus 1.2 becomes plus 1.2. Now let's work this out. 0.4x minus 0.3x is only the numbers 0.4 minus 0.3. Let's do that. 0.4 minus 0.3. 4 minus 3 is 1, and then we put the point 0. So this is 0.1. So 0.1x. This is equal to 0.6 plus 1.2. Let's do that addition. 0.6 plus 1.2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then we put the point and 1.8. 1.8. So 0.1x means 0.1 into x is equal to 1.8. So to find the value of x, what do we write? 1.8 divided by 0.1. We have transposed this number from the left to the right. So now we have to divide 1.8 divided by 0.1. Let's do that division. 1.8 divided by 0.1. Now we have to change the divisor, that means the denominator, into a whole number. 0.1 should become 1, and that can happen only if the point moves one place away, isn't it? And for that to happen, we have to multiply it by 10. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So here when you multiply by 10, the point moves one place to the right. So 1.8 now becomes 18 and 0.1 now becomes 1. So 18 divided by 1 is 18. So here we have 18. That means the value of x is 18. So we have found the answer. X is equal to 18. Question 13. Now here we have 6 in brackets x plus 4 equals 36. When there is no sign between a number and before the bracket, that means it's understood to be multiplication. So this is actually 6 into x plus 4. So that is equal to 36. So when you have something like this, you have to first multiply 6 into the first term x, and then you have to multiply 6 into the second term. So let's work that out. 6 into x will be 6x. Now 6 into 4, the sign is plus, so I can leave the sign as it is. 6 fours are 24. So this is equal to 36. So 6x plus 24 is equal to 36. That means 6x will be 36 minus 24. So let's find the value of 6x. 36 minus 24. Let's subtract and see what we get. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we've got 12. So 6x means 6 into x is equal to 12. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 12 divided by 6. We have transposed this 6 to the right hand side. So 12 divided by 6, 6 twos are 12. So now we have found the value of x. X is equal to 2. Question 14. So here also we have 9 and within brackets a plus 5. So let's do that. So this means 9 into a plus 5, and we still have plus 2 equals 11. So let's work this out. So first we need to multiply 9 into a. So 9 into a will be 9a plus, now we have to multiply 9 into 5 plus 5. That will be 9 fives are 45. So we finish that, we'll write the rest as it is. Plus 2 equals 11. So here we have 9a plus, now we can add up these two. 45 plus 2, that is 47. 9a plus 47 equals 11. So now 9a will be 11, and we transpose plus 47 from the left hand side to the right. It's going to become minus 47. So now 9a is equal to, now let's work this out. This is plus 11 minus 47. Signs are different, so we put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract. So 47 minus 11. 7 minus 1 is 6 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is minus 36. So 9a means 9 into a, which is minus 36. Now we can solve for a. So a will be minus 36 divided by 9, because we have transposed 9, which is multiplication. So now let's work this out here. The sign will be minus 36 divided by 9. 9 fours are 36. So we have found the value of a. A is equal to minus 4. So the answer is a is equal to minus 4. Question 15. Let's open these brackets. Before that, let me expand that question. So 4 and there's no sign, that means it's understood 4 into x minus 2. The rest will remain the same, is equal to 12. Now first multiply 4 into x and then multiply 4 into 2. So let's do that. 4 into x is 4x. Then look at the sign. This is a plus sign and minus 2. So plus into minus is minus. 4 2s are 8. This is equal to 12. So here, let's put all the x here to one side. So that is 4x is equal to 12, and we are going to transpose minus 8 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 8. So to find the value of 4x, 4x is equal to 12 plus 8, we have 20. So 4x means 4 into x is 20. So now we're going to find the value of x. X is equal to 20 divided by 4. We transposed 4, which is multiplication, to the right hand side. It's become division. 20 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 5. Question 16. So let's write minus 3 into a minus 6 equals 24. So first we have to multiply minus 3 into a. So let's do that. Minus 3 into a becomes minus 3a. So now we finish with this. Let's multiply minus 3 into minus 6. So first the signs, minus into minus is plus. 3 6 are 18 equals 24. So minus 3a is equal to 24 minus 18, because we have transposed plus 18 from the left hand side to the right, it becomes minus 18. So minus 3a means minus 3 into a equals 24 minus 18 is 6. So a is equal to 6 divided by minus 3. We have transposed minus 3, which is multiplication here, to the other side, so it's become division. So let's work this out. 6 has a plus sign. So here, plus into minus is minus. When you divide 6 by 3, 3 2s are 6. So here we get a equals minus 2. So the answer is a is equal to minus 2. Question 17. So let's open these brackets now. So first it is 7 into x minus 2 equals 2 into 2x minus 4. So let's work this out carefully. So now first let's multiply 7 into x. 7 into x is 7x. Then we go on to 7 into minus 2. So here we have a plus sign. So plus into minus is minus. 7 2s are 14 equals, on the other side also we should do the same thing. 2 into 2x first. So 2 2s are 4, 4x. Then we multiply 2 into minus 4. So that is 2 into minus 4. So here there's a plus sign. So plus into minus is minus. 2 4s are 8. Now let's put all the variables to one side and all the constants to the other side. So here we already have 7x. Let's transpose 4x from the right hand side to the left hand side. It's minus on the right, it's plus on the right, so it becomes minus 4x. Now here on the right hand side we have minus 18, minus 8. Let's transpose minus 14 to the other side, it becomes plus 14. So this is plus 14. Let's work this out. 7x minus 4x. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3x equals, now here the signs are different. So we have to put this time the bigger number and subtract. 14 minus 8 is 6. So 3 into x. 3 into x is equal to 6. Therefore, to find the value of x, we say 6 divided by 3, because we have transposed 3, which is multiplication, to the other side. 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So the value of x is 2. X is equal to 2. Question 18. So here we have x minus 4 into 2x plus 3. So let's multiply x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. We have done this kind of multiplication earlier. So let's work this out. So first I'm going to take 2x and I'm going to multiply it with x. So 2x into x will be done like this. 2x into x, that is 2 into x to the power of 1 plus 1 is x to the power of 2. So that is 2x to the power of 2. So we finished with this x. Now we are going to multiply with minus 4. So 2x into minus 4. So this is plus. So let's take only the signs first. Plus into minus is minus. Take the numbers. 2 4s are 8. Take the letters. There's only one x. So that is minus 8x. So we finished multiplying with 2x. Now we're going to multiply with plus 3. So plus 3 into x first. So that is plus 3 into x. That is 3x. So now we need to put it in the column where there is x already. So that is plus 3x. So we finished multiplying with x. Now we're going to multiply 3 and minus 4. So plus 3 into minus 4. First the signs. Plus into minus is minus. Now the numbers. 3 4s are 12. So that is minus 12. Now let's work this out. So what do we have here? Minus 12. Now here in the x column, signs are different. So put the sign as a bigger number and subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5, 5x. And here it is 2x squared. So here we have solved for this first part here. So here we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. This is all equal to 2x squared. So we need to solve for x. So let's put all the variables to one side and the constants to the other side. So we already have 2x squared here. 2x squared minus 5x. Now let's transpose this 2x squared to the left hand side. It is plus on the right hand side, so it becomes minus on the left hand side. Now we are going to transpose minus 12 from the left hand side to the right hand side. It's going to become plus 12. So I leave it as 12. So here what do we have? Now let's solve this. Now we have 2x square which has a plus sign and minus 2x square. 2x square minus 2x square will get cancelled because of the opposite signs. Plus 2x minus 2x square. So that is 0. So what are we left with? We have minus 5x is equal to 12. So that means minus 5 into x is equal to 12. So we need to solve for x. So we say 12 divided by minus 5. So let's do that division. 12 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10 minus you have 2. So here we have 2. 2 by 5 is our mixed number. Now let's go back here. Now the signs are different. So plus into minus is minus and we write 2. 2 by 5. So we found the value of x. X is equal to minus 2. 2 by 5. Question 19. So let's work this out. 21 minus, so first 3 into b. 3 into b is 3b. So we are done with that. Now we are going to do minus 3 into minus 7. Minus into minus is plus. 3 sevens are 21. This is equal to b plus 20. So here let's get all the variables to one side and all the constants to the other side. So let's begin with 21. We'll leave it here. Now plus 21 we have. Let's write that also. Let's transpose plus 20 from the right hand side to the left. It becomes minus 20. Now what do we have on the right hand side? On the right hand side we already have b And we are now going to transpose the other b which is on the left hand side. That is minus 3b to the right hand side. It becomes plus 3b. So here let's work this out. This is plus 21. So plus 21 minus 20. So let's add up these two. So 21 plus 21 is 242. And if we have to minus 20 from it, what do we get? 2. 4 plus 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 22. So here the sign is plus. So it is 22. So 22 equals, now on the other side we have 1b plus 3b. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4b. So what does that mean? 4b means 4 into b. 4 into b is 22. So to find the value of b, what do we say? 22 divided by 4, because we are transposing this 4, which is multiplication, to the right hand side. Now let's divide 22 by 4. 22 divided by 4. 4 fives are 20 minus, you have 2. So what is our mixed number? 5, 2 by 4. Now here 5 2 by 4, I can write 5 as it is. I can reduce 2 and 4 to the lowest term. I can divide both by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what do I get? 1 by 2. So 5 1 by 2. So the answer is B is equal to 5 1 by 2. So this is our final answer. We have solved for B. Question 20. X into x. So let's work that out first. X into x is x to the power of 2, because x to the power of 1 into x to the power of 1. So plus, now we finished with this, we have to multiply x into 5. X into 5 is 5x. And on the other side, we have x square plus x plus 32. So let's get all the variables to one side. So we have x square plus 5x already here. Now let's transpose this x square from the right hand side to the left. So it is plus on the right. When it comes to the left, it becomes minus x square. Then let's transpose this plus x to the left hand side. Because it's plus, when it comes here, it becomes minus x. So we have all the variables on one side now. Now let's take all the constants. Now if you look carefully, there's only one constant, which is 32. So we'll leave 32 on the right hand side as it is. Now we have to work out the other side, the left hand side. So left hand side we have plus x square. Now let's look at the x squares alone. Plus x square minus x square. That is plus 1 minus 1, which will get cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is left? We have here, we have plus 5x and we have minus x. That means minus 1x. So let's work that out. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4x is equal to, on the right hand side we have 32. So now we can solve for x. 4x is 4 into x, which is 32. Now to find the value of x, we say 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 4 8s are 32. So we have found the value of x to be 8. So this is the answer to our last sum in this exercise. X is equal to 8. With this, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.